So one of the things that's awesome about having a sweet box truck is that you have to park it on the street in the city, and you have to move it every couple of days in the winter so that they don't tow it. One of the disadvantages of having a sweet box truck is that you have a big diesel motor that doesn't start and you have nowhere to plug it in. So I went ahead and got some sweet new batteries, and we're going to try cold starting it here so we can move it so that the man doesn't handle it. Let's see how this goes.